API distribution analysis of pharmaceutical tablets is tremendously enhanced by the HYPERION II ILM. In this video, we want to present the workflow of IR laser imaging for this application. The sample, a painkiller tablet, was previously processed and prepared using a tablet mill. We place this tablet under the microscope and close the laser safety enclosure. The analysis starts by collecting a visual overview image for reference purposes in our all-in-one software Opus. When this is done, we simply define the measurement area. Notice how it is perfectly tailored to the tablet size, making the measurement more efficient. Let us start. While the data is collected, you can watch our smart spectral contrast live trace calculating a high-contrast IR image based on the incoming spectra. The whole measurement takes only about 8 minutes. The measurement is completed and we upload the data into Opus's tablet analyzer extension. Here, we can create dedicated classifiers trained by an artificial neural network and based on pure component reference spectra. To visualize their distribution, a color is assigned to each component. The best part, the evaluation of the full dataset with a trained classifier takes roundabout 20 seconds. A mask is applied to ignore the area outside the tablet. The distribution of the components and their overall fraction are displayed on the right-hand side. The display of individual components can be toggled on and off. Finally, particle statistics are automatically created and displayed at the click of a button. In short, the HYPERION II ILM makes tablet analysis a lot smarter and faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching and see you soon.